So Hashing Adspace right now is having this amazing deal where you can have your website shown thousands of times to thousands of people interested in a home-based business right now. So if you're in the how to make money online type of niche, or you have products that you want to push through that you know will help people who are interested in starting their own online business working from home, or maybe you're promoting an affiliate product that you know will actually help people get started making money, some good money working from home, starting their own business, then this platform is the best right now on the market with the lowest fees compared to other big advertising platforms whereby you have to create your own targeting. So this advertising platform is a niche-based platform for people who are just looking for ways to start an online business working from home. If you're interested or you have a product to push through, then you might want to watch this video till the end, because this is going to be some great value for you. But if you're new to this channel and it's your first time here, I would really appreciate it if you just take 10 to 15 seconds of your time to just hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and like the video. Leave a comment down below if you need any help. Also check out our Telegram group down below where I can help you one-on-one if you need any help with any of the videos that I release. Without wasting much of your time, I'm just gonna dive into this video. And basically, Hashing Adspace for the past few weeks, they've been running a huge sale on one of their advertising products. So basically, Hashing Adspace, as you can see on my screen right here, they have 3 advertising products that they offer. So Hashing Adspace is basically a platform where it's a win-win situation for both the viewers, the advertising viewers, and then the advertisers as well. So you basically have, it's like a community that is built for both advertisers and for people who just want to earn some income online, built around a cryptocurrency called Asimi token. So it's more like a token more than it is a cryptocurrency. But recently they added a new offer where you can buy your advertising products using Bitcoin. So right now they've been selling their advertising products at very, very low price. So I'm just going to dive into this and then show you what it's all about and how you can get started today and get targeted traffic for people who are interested in starting home business from home. So Hashing Adspace is offering high value advertising at lowest price right now. So for you to get hundreds of leads for your online business or for your product that you want to push through. So basically, Adminter advertising, which is this first option right here, will allow you. Let me just go to the page where they're actually selling this, so that I'll explain exactly what it looks like and how much you can expect to spend on this website and get thousands of leads right now, every single day. And you know that you have targeted audience from all over the world. So actually, before I dive into everything, let me just show you a quick stats from my own advertising that I've ran, because when you sign up with the link down below, you actually get free advertising for just signing up. So if you already signed up, just go on your dashboard, and then you see that you actually have under the advertising right here on this tab, you just see that you actually have some banner ads or something like that under these impressions, free impressions to get started advertising without spending any of your money. But for those who actually want to get more than what you have for free, then this video is what I'm trying to explain to you and how you can get there. So basically, I ran about 141 impressions, and these are the statistics that I got from running that one offer. Let me just show you quickly. So right now I'm on my Bitly dashboard. So this is just a way that I use to track, the engagement rate and what is going on, the return on advertisement that I'm doing. So basically calculate my ROI, return on investment. So basically what I want to show you right here is that as a marketer, we all know that if you're a marketer into online marketing, then you probably know that to grow your list and generating more sales, you're going to need some targeted advertising. So basically, this is what Hashing Adspace offers people who are into the online money-making niche and how to start your own business at home. So this is a targeted audience. So this is one of my affiliate courses. This is just a course that I went through back in I think 2018, last December. So I went through this course and it helped me quite a lot. I did Amazon FBA, so that's like fulfillment by Amazon, selling online and all this stuff. So I really enjoyed it going through that course. So I wanted to recommend it to people. So that's when I actually started with Hashing Adspace as well. So what I realized that, so from the impressions that I just showed you right now, the 141, those are actually just free. So I just wanted to share with people in the community as a newbie in that community. So this is what actually happened. I ran that ad, 141 impressions, and this is what I got. So I basically got 246 clicks onto my total clicks onto my ad, onto this link, onto my affiliate link. So basically this was an affiliate link of the Amazon course by Kevin David. So basically what happens is that, as you can see, this is 100% total clicks from the same email, SMS, or direct, but this is actually direct from a website, so from Hashing Adspace. There's no other traffic sources that I use for this. It was just basically Hashing Adspace all the way. So 141 ad minter, 141 impressions got me 246 clicks, total clicks right there. As you can see now, I know a lot of people focus on good quality targeted audience. So I'm talking about people who are ready to spend money with you when it comes to investing on their online, starting their own online business. So basically, as you can see, here we actually got people in the United States who are interested in this. We got people in Italy who are interested in this. We got people in the United Kingdom, and then other 36 countries. So this is like a worldwide thing. You will know that your website is landing in front of potential customers, good quality traffic that you wouldn't find anywhere else. When you run something like Facebook ads, you have to do your own targeting. But with Hashing Adspace, this is traffic that's already targeted for you. All you gotta do is just place your ads, and then it's a very simple process. I'm actually going to take you through some of the process, like showing you what goes on, how you get your coins and so forth. So basically that's about it. So I just want to show you the traffic, the amount of traffic that you can expect to get from this. So this is just all targeted traffic. This all targeted traffic that just converts. It converts because they are ready to invest on themselves. There are people who just know who are ready to start an online business, start making money from working from home. If you have any of those projects that you're trying to push through, build an email list with, then Hashing Adspace is definitely something that I wanted to check out today. So as I said, they've been having a big sale, which actually I think is ending today. But this was like the second time that they threw this sale out there. So if you just join today, get your free advertising, which is free, as I showed you, the free that you get for just signing for your account with the link down below. So when you go get those, try it out, see what's going to happen, and just see the return on investment that you're going to get, the audience, the clicks that you're going to get, and then from there you decide whether you want to carry on with it. So with this, you have cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, to be able to pay to buy advertising, or at least the Adspace token, which you can buy using the Waves decentralized exchange. So if you want help with that, you can join the Telegram group, and I'll help you out, or just subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you telling you how to, it's just explaining the process of how to get your Adspace tokens if you don't have Bitcoins or anything like that. Right now, from my dashboard, so if I can just go back to my dashboard, once you log in, it's going to have something like that. And then I also just earn from viewing ads, and this is my Adspace token that I've had. That's why this is just a good platform to get people to get traffic from it, because it's a win-win for both the audience, the viewers, and the advertiser. So anyways, when you come, what you want to do as an advertiser, you want to come to this advertising option right here. So this is where you see all the campaigns and watch the free impressions that you got under any of these campaigns that you can start running as soon as possible, as soon as you log in. So now when you want to buy more, maybe you have used up your free impressions, your welcome bonus in free impressions, or you simply just want to add more to get more. So you would come up under the advertising products right here. So as you can see, they've got three products, three advertising different products. So this is the ad minter, which the sale is on right now. And then they have the banner ads right there, and then the view to earn advertising purchase right there. So what I want to show you right now, so the banner basically is going to be something like, let's see if I have any ad right here or on the next page. Okay, so these are basically banners. I'm pretty sure most of you know that. So these are the banners. This is how they look like. they're just all over the page. And then, so I'm gonna open this one in a new tab, Ad Minter Advertising. So before I actually show you the pricing, this ad minting. So this, when you buy this option right here, your ads will be shown on this, which is something that if you want to get this staking, you have to buy the Adspace stake right there. So when you buy the Adspace stake, this is the only time that you actually view the ad minter advertising packages. So so this is actually something that costs quite a lot of money, 660 Adspace right now. So anyways, going back to where I was onto my dashboard. So what I want to stress is that with the ad minting, as you saw, okay, let's just go back to my dashboard. So with the first product, the ad minter, they have to buy the stake, right? We have to buy the stake, and I bought my stake. I have like 2 stakes of this, so I get to watch 2 ads every single day that advertisers have bought this package right here to advertise to the audience. So you can be sure 100% that people who have bought the stake, they're ready to make money online because they're investing into this, okay? They're investing to see your ads. This platform is getting thousands and thousands of new viewers every single day, and they are all getting into this, paying that fee to get to see your ads in front of their PCs. So basically what you want to do when you buy this ad is that, so it will come up here. So every time when you buy the Adspace stake, invest your money in it, and to see your ads that you are putting out there to help us, people like me and other people who are viewing these ads every single day. They want to see your ad. They're actually paying for it, okay? They are paying to see your ad. So it'll be something like this. So those ads will be like 7 seconds ads. So they're just usually 7 seconds per ad. So your ad will basically just show. So this is like a person who bought that package right there. So the countdown will count down 7 seconds, and then it will stop. This is just to give enough time for the person to go through this, and they can even open it in a new tab and go, sign up with a different of these websites. So this is like a good product. So this is how basically your website will view like. So it's still on the platform, hence why you can see traffic source was just one source, 100% from the same thing, because it's just built into Hashing Adspace right there. As you can see, it's just built there, so it's one source. It doesn't come from anywhere else. So that's why. So this is basically how it works, and then they can click and interact with their website. It's like a built-in browser that just views the ads inside there. So and then people pay for it to watch these ads, to get the chance to view these ads. Not everybody has the opportunity to view these ads. So those who actually have the opportunity to view these ads, they are willing to, they're serious about their online business. They're ready to invest their money on this and get started. So anyways, once the person is done, they just click the complete ad mint button right there, and then it will take them to the next ad. So the more ads that you have, the better. As you can see now, I can open this in a new window and interact with it more, or I can go to the next ad. Then I'll move on to the next ad. When I move on to the next ad, so right now I'm watching the next ad right there, another 7 seconds countdown, and then I interact with it if I'm interested in it. If I'm not, I move on to the next one. So what I would recommend is that you make sure, piece of advice that I would advise you to do right now is to make sure that you have a perfect landing page, a page that it just converts. The easiest way to make landing pages is actually to use a software like Clickfunnels, or build a website using Bluehost, or host your website, a blog using Bluehost. So if you're also interested in just creating your Clickfunnels, which is a perfect software to create a funnel sales page, landing page that actually look way better than this, it's just easier for you. It takes I would say less than 30 minutes, because they are like pre-built funnels that you can just edit. And a funnel that is just built is a sales funnel, so it's built to close your clients. If you have it, that is actually interesting. It helps you to portray your offer in full. So if you're interested in that, check the links down below. I'll have a click to free 14-day trial with Clickfunnels, as well as Bluehost. If you're interested in building a blog or a website, there will be another link down below as well. So I'll have 3 links down below to join Adspace and get your free advertising, free 14-day trial with Clickfunnels if you want to build better landing pages, and then I'll have the Bluehost if you have. That's another way to. That's a host for your website if you want to start a blog, which is just another way to get a better landing page that will actually convert. So now moving on to the pricing. So this ad minted, you just saw, that was 15 seconds or so, 15 to 20 seconds that I spent on those ads. each. So basically the pricing, they start at $20. $20, you're basically paying 1 cent, 1 penny per click, per view. Okay, per 7-second view. I'm talking about 7 seconds. That is more than enough to get a client close on a good deal. So if your offer is good enough and you have a good landing page, then you're sure that you get a lot of impressions and the Adspace value. So this is Adspace token. If you want to know more on how to get that, remember, just subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, join the Telegram group. I'll help you out, or just leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you on how you can buy these Adspace tokens on the DEX if you don't understand how it works. So in dollar value, that's $20. You can pay with Bitcoin. So they have this $200 as well. So the more ads that you buy, like the more impressions that you buy, the less the value goes. So as you can see, this was at 1 cent. Now this is like less than 1 cent. And as you can see, if you were to buy 5,000 worth of advertising, which is like 1,250 impressions right now, that will just cost you about almost less than half a cent, less than half a cent. And this 1,000 one, that's like half a cent. And then this $500 one, which I believe is just the best option right now, 85,000 impressions, active ad limit, that's 15, economy 170%. So that's the price in Adspace. So this is actually the best option for people who really want to just get a lot of impressions daily. And as you can see, that's just above 50% of a cent, of 1 cent per view. This is way cheaper compared to other advertising platforms out there. So this is the first advertising package that you can buy. And then moving on to the second one, which is going to be the banner ads. And then I'm going to move on to the third one, which is going to be the view to earn advertising. So view to earn, while that is loading, I'm just going to show you how view to earn works. So view to earn is a new way that anybody can view. So this one is actually free. Now the nice part about the view to earn is that you set the price that you want to give a viewer for it. So it's basically like a ranking SEO page on Google. If you're spending more per ad, you rank higher. You're one of the first people to get your ads viewed daily. So it's all about, it's like giving you freedom on advertising and how much you want to spend on it. So this is basically how it will look. So they're basically the 5 premium ads, which most people are just viewing. So these are people who are willing to spend up to 0.2 Adspace to give away 0.2 Adspace, which is very low advertising fees right there. And then those are the premium 5, and then you can see starting from these ones, these are like way lower now. So these are like 15 seconds. This is like the highest bid right there. The person who's willing to give away the highest Adspace. So with these ones, it's just like the view to earn Adspace. The view to earn advertising package is all about you and how much you're willing to pay a viewer for each view. So anyways, let me just show you how you would purchase or the prices of the ad minter. So the banners, as you can see, they're all over on this website. Very good banners right there. Advertising, a good way to get your audience landing on your page. As you can see, very cheap prices right there. $139, $20, 160,000 impressions on those. For just 2,000, oh my goodness! For $200, you're getting 3,200,000. Where else can you get such low value? Where else can you get such good targeted niche audience for this less amount of advertising? This is just crazy. This is really a good opportunity for people who want to move their business to the next level, getting targeted audience for their businesses. So as you can see there, 2,000, that's 64 million impressions. They're just mind-blowing. Really, if you're interested in this is just the way to go. Okay, this is the way to go. Remember, the links are down below. You get your free advertising to try it out, and then you're gonna see. After you try it out, I'm telling you, you're just gonna see the return on investment is just crazy. It's just crazy, and this is just the way to go. So if you're interested, the links are down below. Get started today. Don't waste more time. Anyways, moving to the third package, which is the view to earn that I just showed you a couple minutes ago. So this one is started at 10 Adspace tokens. You can also buy it with So yeah, so we can also buy it with the view to earn advertising. So yeah, thank you for watching. I really hope you understood this. If you got any questions, hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.